question sentence. Before starting our lesson, let's check it first. When I say class, you say yes. This means pay attention. When I say meter, you say meter. This means repeat after me with a gesture. When I say teach, you say okay. This means you have to teach me. Let's get to it. So what is a beaver? Is Emmer? They are beaver. Right. Then how do you make a question sentence with beaver? Beaver can jump over the subject. Okay. So let's get to it. Class, meter. To make a question sentence with a beaver. Beaver can jump over the subject. Can you teach me? Teach. Yep. To make a question sentence with a beaver. Beaver can jump over the subject. Well done. What about other verbs? Action verb word. You have, go, eat. So actually other verb cannot jump over the subject. Instead we have to use do, does, this. But did this for the past tense. What about how to distinguish between do or does? Actually does is for the third person. Okay? So let's check it. When there is other verb, cannot jump over the subject. Okay, class, meter. Other verb cannot jump over the subject. Instead, we use do, does, or did before the subject. Teach. Other verb cannot jump over the subject. Instead, we use do, does, or did. Well done. But what about does? Meter. Meter. When the subject is third person singular, we use does. Can you teach me? Teach. When the subject is third person singular, we use does. Well done. Third person singular, he, she, person's name, single noun, it. Alright. Okay, let's check it. For example, you are a doctor. There is a beaver. How to make a question sentence? Yeah, are you a doctor? Beaver can jump over the subject. You, right? So what about he's a teacher? How to make a question sentence? Yeah, is he a teacher? Beaver can jump over the subject. He. Okay, what about this one? You have a rabbit. How to make a question sentence? Have is other word that cannot jump over the subject. Instead, we use what? Do, does, this before the subject. So we can say, do you have a rabbit? What about the other word? She has a cat. Okay, this is just other verb. Cannot jump over the subject. We use what? Do, does, this before the subject. She is the third person singular, right? But you have to remember, so when we use does, we have to use the basic form of verb have. So, does she have a cat? Like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.